Hey guys, it's Callan here from Streamline. We're at the front of Bethlehem Shores Retirement Village where we're just wrapping this big job up. We've teamed up with our friends at National Group to complete an exterior soft wash, roof treatment and gutter clean on all 230 units here at Bethlehem Shores, also including the clubhouse. We completed this job in a little under 4 weeks and only have a couple villas left to go, so come follow along and see how we did it so efficiently.